B.K. Das, TGT English from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Raulkela. Today we are going to read a small poem, a beautiful poem composed by Maud Rubin. The title of the poem is Mystery of the Talking Fan. Children, before we go to the poem, I would like to know something from you. Have you ever seen that any fan talks, or any electrical gadgets or mechanical gadgets ever talk? Have you understood their talkings? Perhaps not. But sometimes they talk, they create some unpleasant sounds which we could not understand. Here the poem, Rubin, when he was very small, he also came across a ceiling fan in his house. It was giving him some unpleasant sounds. Since he was very small, he could not understand what the fan wanted to tell him. And after some days, that mystery, that unpleasant sound of the fan vanished. So he wrote a poem. Let's read and enjoy the poem. Once there was a talking fan, electrical he chattered. I could not quite hear what he said, and I hope it does not matter, because one day somebody oiled his little wheeling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. Again, come back to the first two lines. Once there was a talking fan. There was a ceiling fan in his house. It was talking. Talking means it was creating some sound, unpleasant sound in his house. And it was electrical talking. Electrical he chattered. His voice was electrical because it was moving by the electricity. And I could not quite hear. Here I refers to the poet. The poet is telling that he could not quite hear what he said. Here again he said, he refers to the fan. And I hope it does not matter. It does not matter means nothing matters to him, because the fan was giving him the cool air, and along with it, it was creating some unpleasant sound. So it does not matter him, because one day somebody oiled his little wheeling motor. But after some days, the mechanic came. Here somebody refers to the electrician or the mechanics, who came and oiled the fan. After oiling the motor, his little wheeling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. After oiling, the fan was all right. It does not create any sound or any electrical chatter. It was perfect. And he ran as still as water. He refers to the fan. It ran as still as water. Very smoothly the fan runs and gives cool air to the poet. Now look at the hard words and their meanings. Electrical means concerning electricity, and chatter means to murmur, to create some sound. Wheeling means rotating, moving around. Mystery means secret. Spoiled means ended. Still means quiet. Once again, you have to go through the hard words and their meanings. Read the poem thoroughly. Once you read loudly, and second times you read very silently, so that you can enjoy and understand the poem. After reading the poem, go to the stanza wise questions. Okay, extract is given. Read the extract very carefully and answer the questions that follow. And after writing the answer, go to the next part of the questions, that is the multiple choice questions. Very carefully you have to select which is the right answer. Then go to the short questions, then long questions. After doing the answers, you can check your answers which is given by me, and I hope you will enjoy and understand the poem nicely. Thank you.